Hi, my name is Dr. Aswad Mustafa. I am a postgraduate resident of neurology in Pakistan. So, guys, I decided to go for MRCP2 theory exam, and the time that I had when I started preparation was nearly 3 months. I know that's not ideal time, but I first did the past medicine. After doing one round of past medicine, I went for theory portion of past medicine, the high yield portion. And after doing that, I had a very brief overview of the Sanjay Sharma. I would like to mention that the narration of questions and the way Sanjay Sharma helps in differential diagnosis is good, but the literature or the guideline part of the Sanjay Sharma is not good, as it is very outdated. Then after doing all this, I was down to my last, I would say 25, 26 days, and I really got worried at how I am going to wrap up my preparation, how I'm going to summarize all this information and data. So in that time, I contacted Dr. Ahad through a friend. And first, let me tell you that he is an amazing soul. He had a very detailed discussion with me, and he offered me a course which was according to the needs of mine, and keeping in mind the short duration of preparation that I had. Let me tell you one more thing, that I initially contacted Dr. Ahad for a different course of his, but he's such a kind person that he, after having discussion with me, offered me a different course that I came to know was the perfect choice for me. So I signed for the Mad Box series course of MRCP Part 2. And guys, let me tell you that it is really amazing course. In the last 20 to 25 days, it was my savior. Had it not been the case, I think I would not have been able to pass this examination. So after going through the Madbox series, I again went to the past medicine, did the questions that I had been doing wrong in the first attempt, reset the settings, did past medicine hard questions, and in the last 4 or 5 days I was again doing the Madbox series course. And at the end, it was all because of the prayers of my parents and the efforts of Dr. Ahad, which make preparation for the students very easy, that I was able to pass this examination, Alhamdulillah. And at the end, I would again like to thank Dr. Ahad for his very beautiful effort of helping these students of MRCP examination, and I wish him very best of luck. Thank you.